In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a task to another list in ClickUp. Whether you're organizing your workload or simply need to reassign a task to a different project, knowing how to efficiently move tasks around can be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process to do just that. First, you'll want to open the task that you are planning to move. It's important to have the task window open before making any changes to the task's location. Once you've located the task and opened it, direct your attention to the top left corner of the task window. Here, you'll notice a breadcrumb trail indicating the task's current location. This trail shows the space, folder, and list where your task currently resides. Understanding this layout is crucial, as it provides a clear picture of how ClickUp organizes your tasks within its hierarchy. Now, to start the process of moving your task, click on the Move Task option. This button should be easily visible from within the task window. With that click, a drop-down menu will appear, showing you a list of possible destinations for your task. This menu is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, offering you a straightforward selection of different lists to which the task can be moved. Simply navigate the drop-down, find the list that suits your new organizational needs, and select it. It's as easy as that. Once you've made your selection, observe the breadcrumb trail once more. You'll notice that it updates to reflect the new location of your task. Interestingly, even after the move, the task will appear in both the original and new lists. It remains in both locations until you decide to remove it explicitly from the original list. This feature offers a seamless way to ensure continuity and maintain a historical record of your tasks, which can be incredibly useful for tracking progress and changes over time. Alternatively, there's another method you can use if you prefer. Head over to the top right corner of the task window and click on the ellipsis, also known as the three-dot menu. This gives you access to various additional actions you can take with the task. From this menu, choose the Move option and then select Move to another list. Just like before, you'll need to pick the list you want the task to be moved to. This method provides a bit of flexibility and can be handy if you're accustomed to using the task menu for a variety of functions. That sums up the process for moving a task within ClickUp. Whether you use the main task options or the ellipsis menu, both methods offer a straightforward way to keep your projects and tasks well organized. So, go ahead and try this out to keep your workflow running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy task organizing.